Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to turn off dark mode on Snapchat. Disabling dark mode can make the app look brighter and easier to use in well-lit environments. So let's get started on how to turn off dark mode on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app. Go to your Snapchat profile by tapping on the profile icon from the top left corner of your screen. Tap on the settings option from the top right corner of your screen. In the setting menu, you can scroll down and find the app appearance option. Once you find it, simply tap on it. Finally, tap on the always light option. This will immediately switch your Snapchat interface to light mode. And this is how you can turn off dark mode on Snapchat. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.